So many viewers raved about using a squeegee to clean the inside of windshields that I am forced to compare it to my Cobra method. This squeegee has a 6-inch wide silicone blade and all plastic handle and blade holder. We'll start with a half gallon of water and a dash of Dawn dish soap. I suggest at least a half gallon of water to make sure there is very little suds. Next, we grab a waffle weave microfiber cloth, dip it into the soap water, and wring it out so the cloth is damp, not soaking wet. And instead of the awkward palm up method, let's wrap the cloth around our hand to use the more comfortable Cobra method and wipe with the back of our fingers. Wash the glass in vertical strokes, followed by horizontal strokes, shown at 3 times speed. Now the squeegee method to dry the glass, paired with a dry cloth. Let's start at the top and squeegee from the center to the side, wiping the silicone blade after each pass. The squeegee does leave the glass streak free. Reach as far as possible to get down to the bottom of the glass. And make a pass up the side of the windshield. Follow up with the microfiber cloth to touch up the perimeter of the windshield. Drying with the squeegee and touching up with the microfiber cloth took a quick 59 seconds. We now switch over to the Cobra method and wash the glass the same way as before, shown at 3 times speed. Next, we dry the glass with the Cobra method using a waffle weave microfiber cloth, making 2 horizontal and vertical passes. The waffle weave microfiber cloth cleans streak-free just like the squeegee. Drying with the Cobra method was a little quicker at 44 seconds. Both gave a streak-free clean. The Cobra or squeegee method, which do you prefer?